Hey guys, how's it going? So you know how last time we only had 10 boxes, oh no, we had 11 boxes to unbox last time? But you know, this time we decided to double it. And we're gonna unbox, well more than double, we're gonna unbox 27 boxes! For first box. Okay, so this tiny one. And as always, if you want anything in this video, send me a DM and then I'll be sure to respond to it. And then yeah, and then hopefully you want to buy it or something, I don't know. Okay, first one, this is not for sale because my mom's birthday is coming up. So I decided to buy her a designer toilet paper. So here it is, here's a designer toilet paper. Not even focusing, hello? Oh wait, it's on manual focus, wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. It should not, okay, come on, okay, so we got Chanel, we got, wait, what the heck is this? Oh, this is Gucci, this is Fendi, you can see some Louis Vuitton in there. But yeah, those are the brands that's inside the toilet paper, and it was a whopping $10. And then this is one of the presents that I'm getting my mom. I'm getting her like another one, but I don't think it's gonna be in this video. All right, next one. So we got a Nike box, just do it. And this is all the stuff that I got for February. So we got a red Nike box, and this one is a size 9 women's. And it is the women's UNC to Chicago Jordan 1. There it is. As you can see, the leather is a lot better quality. Actually, yeah. Oh, the leather is actually better. Like the black parts and then the blues. Oh, the blues. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about quality. I shouldn't be talking about this. There's the side profile. There's the inside. There's a front view. Back view, soles, who needs to see the soles, but yeah, there it is. All right, next one. This is a size 9 women, so that's like a size 7.5 men's. Yeah, this is a size 7.5 men's. So this one is a size 8.5. This is a Yeezy 350. And this one is in the new or recently released the Earth colorway. Well, this is a tan Yeezy, and here's a close-up of it. Size 8.5 if you want it. Slide into my DMs. There's a side profile. There's a front. Insoles. Oh, they have a yellow thing in the bottom. Back, it has a pull tab. And yeah, 8.5. Next up, this is a size, oh wait, whoa, okay, this is a size 9.5. And this one is pretty good. This one is the Yeezy 380 in the mist colorway. But this is not an ordinary Yeezy, this is the reflective Yeezy. Here's how it looks like. Got the side profile. The other side profile, here's the front view, the back view, there is no pull tab, but here's the cool thing about it. Okay, so the cool thing about it is that it is reflective, so it's made of 3M, so like when you take a picture or when you use flash, it's gonna like show, like, you know, it's gonna reflect back. I'm pretty sure that looked pretty bad on the way I filmed it on my phone. This is another Yeezy 380. 380 reflective, blah blah. Okay, next one. This is a 350. This is a size 7.5. Is the Earth colorway and a tan colorway. Okay, next one. And this is a red Nike box, size 9.5, women's. So that's a size 8 in men's. And it is the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. Is it UNC? I'm gonna verify. Is it UNC? Oh my gosh, it's NC to Chicago. I think I said the first one wrong. Alright, it's the Jordan 1 and it's the Jordan 1 NC to Chicago. Alright, next one. We got a Yeezy 350 in a size 5. So if you are a size 5 or your significant other is a size 5, you can get this for them. And this is the Earth colorway. Yeah. Alright, next one. Okay, this is a completely different box, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, wait, what the heck, this is backwards. Okay, this is upside down. We got a Jordan 1 box, and this is a size 9 men's, not 9 women's. And it's a Jordan 1 pine green. Here's a look at it, close up. We've got some red laces. Here's a side profile. Okay, side profile. Here's the front view, back view, insoles, not insoles. The soles. Here's the back. If you want to see the leather, can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. I mean, it's kind of. Oh, it is kind of soft. Okay, this is kind of soft. Okay, okay. I'm not gonna talk about quality. Okay, I shouldn't be talking about quality. I don't know. I haven't gone to Jordan 1 since a long time, so I can't really compare it to other Jordan 1. Next up, I'm getting unboxing fatigue. All right, so 350 to size 7 men's. And it's the Yeezy 350 Earth. Okay, next one. 350, size 7, And guess what? We got a Yeezy Earth. Alright, make sure you protect our Earth, because Mother Earth is Mother Earth and we're living in Mother Earth. Alright, next one. We got a Jordan 1 Nike box. Oh jeez, that almost fell out. This is a size 8.5 men's, and it's the pine greens. You know, pine green, you gotta protect your pine trees because we're leaving this earth, and yeah, missed. Alright, next one. I hate the Jordan 1 box because it's like so like fragile. Can't really stack a bunch on top of each other, it's gonna damage the box. You can stack like a bunch of Yeezys on top of each other and then it's not gonna damage the box. Okay, so speaking of Yeezy, we got another 350 Yeezy. Alright, we got a size 8.5 men's, and guess what? We got the Yeezy 350 Earths. Okay, next one. And guess what we got in this box? We got a Yeezy 350 size 7.5 in the Earth colorway. Okay, next one. Got a lot of Earths because, you know, gotta protect the Earth because we live in it. And this one is Jordan 1 box. Oh, this is a small box for this. Tiny, tiny box. Oh, great. Did a reverse unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, there's a shoe. There's a shoe, and it's, oh my gosh. Okay, you can see it. Can you see it? It's green, so it's the pine green in the size. It's a size 8 men's. So if you want this, hit me up in my DMs. Oh, okay. This one is this one's in a completely different box from the other ones. I probably regret this the most. So we got a white box this time. And then this is, oh, they don't even tell you the size? Hello? Oh, okay, it's a size 10.5 men's. Oh, man. This is the Air Force One City of Dreams. The reason why I regret this is because it's not going for anything of profit. And then the reason why I got this is because I'm in this cook group, and then supposedly this is supposed to be a low-key cook, meaning that not a lot of people know about it and you're gonna make money off of it. But I'm not. I'm gonna be losing money on this. I'm gonna be losing like what? If I were to sell this now, I'd probably lose like 30 bucks. So yeah, biggest regret. But you know, all the profit of the other ones is gonna make up for this $30 loss. Alright, next one. Oh my gosh, we got another small box. Come on. What, we got that box for this size? We got size 9 men in the Jordan 1 pine green. Pine trees. Save your mother. Got the Jordan 1 size 9 pine green. Okay, next one. Okay, we got something different now. We don't have a Nike streak. We got Yeezy 350. If you're gonna bash me saying Jordans are Nikes, well, it's made by the same freaking company. They're made in the same factories. Alright, this is not a Jordan, this is a Yeezy 350 Earth size 8. We got 350 size 5.5, and this is, you guessed it, the Earth colorway. Okay, next one. Oh, what the heck? Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's like, look! You can go inside it. You can look what's, well, you can't really look, well, if you have a flashlight, you can look what's inside, but jeez. You'd be glad to know the box is definitely intact. It is very well intact. It is DS, dead stock. It's a size 9. The pine green colorway. Okay, next one. How many men's do I have? I don't know. We'll do a post-mortem in the end. Alright, next one. Alright, this is a size 350. Size 350 if you're a giant. This is the Yeezy 350 in a size 7 in the Earth colorway. This is a Yeezy 350 size 8.5 in the Earth colorway. How long is this going for? This is Jordan 1 8 pine green. Oh my gosh, look at all these boxes. This is Yeezy 350. Size 8.5, Earth colorway. And then this is the Yeezy 350. And then you guessed it, 7.5, the Earth colorway. Loving Earth today. We made it, guys. We made it to the last box. It's a Jordan 1, size 9, in the you guessed it colorway, pine green. Woo! I'll show you guys like the sizes and stuff and stack it and clean up this mess. Because I'm like swimming in boxes, look. Look. Oh, camera's overheating. Look at this. Literally swimming in boxes. It's probably the worst part of this entire process because, you know, you gotta break down the boxes to save Mother Earth. You gotta reuse all your boxes when you ship from North Carolina to Chicago. You can save all them earths and all them pine trees. I'm talking about earths right now. Got 1 5, 1 5.5, 3 7s, 3 7.5s, and we got 4 8.5s of the earths. And then for the Yeezy mists, you know, that reflective one, we got 1 9.5 and 1 10.5. And for the pine greens, we got 2 8s, 1 8.5. And we got about like 5 9s. And for the NC to Chicago's, we got 1 9 and 1 9.5. Of course, we got the outlier, we got the Air Force Ones, but we got the best one, the designer toilet paper. Obviously the best one in this unboxing.